We are going to continue with that same sticking from the last two lessons, and we're going to continue to use the feet, only this time we're going to throw them both in. To begin with, we are going to just alternate from bass drum to hi-hat, bass drum to hi-hat. I appreciate if you haven't got a kit, you haven't got a bass drum or a hi-hat, but you can just still move the feet. You might find it slightly easier to begin with the feet, so if you need to get that going first, that's absolutely fine. Second part of this lesson is to do exactly the same thing, only starting with the hi-hat foot, then doing the bass drum. If you want to start with the feet first, that's cool. 1, 2.